Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you today talking about the number 2. Okay, 1, 2. 2 fingers, 2 fingers, oh, 2 fingers. Okay, so 2 can look like this, right? We start here, you come around, or it can look like this, okay, where you come around, you come back. Okay, we'll leave this one up for now. We're going to play a game we've done before with number 1, but this time it's number 2 because that's our number of the day. So, for example, this says up, right? Hands up. So we're going to put our hands up twice, okay, because that is our number. We're going to do it 2 times. So you can do it with me. Ready? 1. And when we do it, sorry. When we do it, we're gonna say 1 and 2. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. All right, good job. Let's do another one. What's this one say? This one says clap. So we're going to clap twice. Ready? 1, 2. Awesome. Okay, let's see. This time, let's do, this one says legs. Legs. So we're going to slap our legs twice. Ready? 1, 2. Excellent job. All right, let's do a couple more. Here's one. This one says chin. So we're going to touch our chin twice. I'll turn this way. Ready? 1, 2. Awesome. All right. Let's do a couple more. Here's one. We can keep working on our snapping, right? If you can't snap, you can do something else like clap or something, okay? But it's your thumb and middle finger, so 1, 2. I like that because it makes a sound, right? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Let's do, I like this one. Shoulders. Let's do our shoulders twice. Ready? 1, 2. Okay? All right, awesome. All right, this time I'm going to either show you a 1 or a 2, okay? And depending on what I show you, that's what I want you to do. So for example, if I put shoulders and the number 1, you would do your shoulders 1 time and go 1. Okay? All right, let's try it. I'm going to leave, let's put this one up. So this one says nose. We're going to do our nose, we're going to touch our nose once or twice. Let's find out. Very exciting. Okay, so 1 time. Let's touch our nose. Ready? 1. Excellent job. All right. Let's do this one again. I like this one. This one's putting our hands up. Are we going to do it once or twice? Let's find out. 2 times. All right, ready? 1, 2. Awesome. All right. Let's do it one more time. Let's try another one. Oh, I like this one. This one's touching our forehead. Are we going to do it once or twice? I don't know. What's it going to be? It says 1 time. That's 1 time. I'm going to touch our forehead 1 time. Ready? 1. Awesome. Awesome job. All right, so we'll play that game again tomorrow. But our number of the day, as I said, is 2. Yesterday it was 1. I drew a car. You may have drawn something else, which is totally fine. So today we have, I want you to turn to the page that looks like this, which is a tree. Okay? And at the top, I want you to write the number 2. Okay? The number 2. All right, so you may have guessed already, but we are going to draw 2 things on this tree. So there's a few things that you could draw. You could draw leaves. You could draw apples if it's an apple tree. I'm looking for my red marker. Here it is. You could draw birds. Okay, so there's lots of things that you could draw. So I'm going to draw, to start, I'm going to draw 2 I'm going to draw 2 apples. So 1, 2. If you don't have a red, if you don't have markers, that's okay. You can just use your pen or pencil. Okay. I'm also going to draw 2 leaves. Also, boys and girls, you can. Do I have a piece of hair sticking up back there? Silly, Mr. McAndrew. You can also pause the video, right, and just do this on your own when you're ready. Okay. But I'm going to do some right now. So I'm going to draw 2 leaves. Draw a leaf here. Draw a leaf up here. So I have 2 leaves. 1, 2. And maybe I'll draw a little birdie sitting up here on the tree. Oh, but I only have 1, so I need another one to make 2. So let me draw another birdie. I'll put another birdie over here. So I've got 2 birdies. I've got 2 birdies. I've got 2 leaves. And I've got 2 apples. Maybe there's something else you could draw. I mean, you could draw 2 ants, right? Draw on the tree down here. You could draw like 1 little ant, 2 little ants. Okay, so you need to draw 2 of everything though, okay? So have fun with that, and we'll see you soon with the number. What number do you think is coming next? We've done 1 and then 2. What's the next number? Find out tomorrow. All right, good job, boys and girls. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.